What's going on, guys? Another great morning day trading the $1,000 account, the small account, growing it every single day. I'm going to show you guys my live trades in this video, so stay tuned. The first trade on RCON wasn't that great, but if you stay tuned towards the end of the video, I traded PTIE and I made over $500 in a matter of seconds, so stay tuned. Taking a look here at RCON. I like to go short here on RCON if it gets up to that 260 area again, gets stuck. If it doesn't, I'll be looking to go short if it breaks through this 238 area. I like to see that 238 area break, and then for the stock to come back up to that 238 area, find resistance, and then go short at that point. I have 2,000 shares to short there. Was actually trying to get filled here at the 255 area. Could not get filled there. So I'll be looking to go short if this crashes below 238 or if it gets stuck there at 260. So kind of 260 area, 238. You can see pre-market, this stock jumped up there from the $1.70 area up there to 266. It's got previous resistance there on the daily chart. So that's what we're going to be watching here. We're watching that 260 area, 249 right now, 250 area, 238. So 238 support there on the bottom end. And we have this resistance there at the 260 area. So two ways to play this. If it really wants to get running, it jumps above that 260 area. It could be a possible long. But I have a feeling this is going to be more of a short. So we'll be watching here, kind of watching that 260 area or watching 238 area. So there's a sell-off down there to the 238 area. Going to be looking for that 238 area to bounce. Trying to get filled there at 251. Not getting filled. So I'm going to wait for this to break I'm going to wait for this to break through that 238 area and then come back up, find a resistance at that point. So that was my entry there at the 260 area. Was actually messing around, didn't have the time. There it is. Wow, look at this, down there to 222 now. So really crashing here. Try to get filled there at 250, could not get filled. Was a little late on that, thinking I might get, a little pop back up there and get filled right away. But there it is, down there to 222 now. So working out beautiful. Up there to that 264 resistance. Go short there at 260. Didn't have enough time. It happened so fast. So then I was thinking, okay, I'm going to go short here at 250 if it breaks down. And there's that breakdown down there to the 220 area. So I'll be watching here to see if this can get back up to that 236 area. You can see it's very oversold right now. So looking for a bit of a pop back to that 238 area. Find resistance there. I want to see where the next candle opens up here. Right around that 238 area. Looking to go short there. That next candle open up there. That next candle open up there at 232. We're going to see if we can get back up closer to that 240 area. It's not really giving me the entry that I want there. Now I got 225 on the bid there. So it might be a little greedy here, but trying to get filled a couple times. Not getting filled. I was trying to get filled there at 235. It hit 234. Not getting filled there, and it's going lower now. So this is the pullback I was looking for earlier there on that 230 area. Just not getting the right entry there. Not giving it enough time. Look for this pullback down to the 220 area. 225 going lower here. Down there to 220 again. Beautiful. There it is. Down there to 218. See if we get a new low of day here below 218. Taking 500 there at 217. Looking for this move lower. So I like to see if we can break through this 215 area, make a move down to the $2 area. Basically going to be watching this 230 area as my stop. See if we can get through 215 right here. I think we break that 215 area. We get a move down to the $2, no problem here. So we had that pop up there. It bounced here. I was thinking, okay, I tried to get filled a couple times. Missed out on those two fills. The FOMO was kicking in. And then here we popped up again. So I just covered. Ended up going short again, thinking that, okay, we found resistance finally. And then on this one, kind of blew it big time. Should have just kind of shorted again. It's under $3, so I didn't have any more buying power to double up on that short. So I ended up taking what it is there. So I ended up just not working out for me. And then now this 215 area just been holding. Probably should have covered once this 215 area, bounced 3 or 4 times here and taken profit there. But instead, trying to be a little bit more patient here. Was hoping for that break back below 215. Maybe it does it in a little bit, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen right now. There was a big seller sitting there that got eaten out. It's kind of curling back out. It's making higher lows, kind of bouncing this 220 area. So I'll take profit and kind of move on to the next thing. Looking here at PTIE, getting above this $5 area. See if we get this move here. Getting filled on the dip here, looking for this move higher. Like to get a move above that 510 area here. Took half there. Looking for the other half to go higher here. Taking the rest there at 507. That's going to put me green on the day. It's what I needed right there. I guess I should have just taken the full profit there at the 520 area. So you can see it made $179 there on PTI. Got that RCO in. This is an alert that came out in the chat room. You can see the alert there buying that 501 area, taking profit there at the 515, 530 area. Look at it moving higher now. PTIE getting that volume spike. Took half there at 518. Took the others there at 508. I thought I was trying to get filled there at 511. There it is, up there to 525. They're at 535 now. Boom. PTIE exploding here. Getting really extended right now. Gonna get halted right here. PTIE going for the halt here at 573. So obviously hindsight's always 2020. Sitting here now, seeing PTIE up there to 570. I had 1,500 shares here at the $5 area. 501, 1,500 shares there. It's up there to 570 now. I took profit. I probably could have let these last. I probably could have let these last 700 shares ride here for this move up to that 530, 540 area. But I was already in the red on the day. Just wanted to get back green on the day there, and that's what I did. So I ended up back green on the day. Basically, put me back green on the day after RCO in, kind of that over trading. Oh, there goes RCO in down there to 208 now. So RCO in finally getting down through that 215 area. So looking here at PTIE out of the halt here. Got about 30 seconds till this opens back up. 10 seconds. PTIE opening up here. 570 now. Pulling back here. Jumping in there. Looking for this break of $6. Come on, $6 break. I'm going to get it right here. Right there. Taking profit there at 602. Beautiful, baby. That's how we do it right there, right now. So that's going to put me up $354 on the day, making $450. So you guys can see, literally going from, a crappy morning to all of a sudden PTIE exploding and taking profit. I'm up $354. I was down, $100 this morning. I got back to a little bit closer on green, and then boom, PTIE exploding. Try to get filled here at the 620 area to put my order out there at 615. Didn't get filled, so I had to end up taking profit there at 602. Had 1,000 shares. Got in here basically right out of the halt. We get out of the halt here. It opens up. So right out of the halt, it opens up. The buyer step in. It starts to pull back a little bit, but boom, you can see the buyer stepping in there. It exploded. I got in there right there at 570. You can see the halt was there at 573, so I got in right at 570. It pulled back down here to 560, found that support, came right back up, and once I saw that happening, I was like, okay, we're getting that explosion. We're going to get over that $6 area, and there it is, up above $6, in and out, taking that profit. So out of this halt, you got people who got FOMO, you got people who are chasing this, people who thought that $6 area could break, and that's what happens. Everyone's buying there. Everyone's trying to get that action. They want that action. They want that money. Remember, this is all emotions right here. We are trading emotions. People are chasing this stock. There's nothing other. There's no technicals. There's no indicators. It's literally just emotional trading. People jumping in here, trying to get this pop. They want to get in here for this move. And there it is, jumping above $6, taking profit there at 602, working out perfectly. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm probably going to be done. It's 10 o'clock. I'm done for the day. PTIE could probably keep exploding, but hey, I don't want to mess with that at this point. So there it goes again, making that move. See if it gets above that high of day there, 620. If not, probably get a pullback here. But there it is, PTIE. That's how it works out. That's what it's all about. Trading the momentum, trading the momentum. This is momentum day trading at its best. I mean, obviously earlier didn't take profit at a good time, but here you can see you got a lot better action there. Got in there at 570, took profit there at 602. So that's a 32-cent move. On this move, I got 501 up there to 518. So that was, 17-cent move, and just locking in that profit as it goes. This could easily just crash down from here. It's up 55% on the day. It could also go higher, but I'm not going to play. I'm not going to play with it. And there, it looks like it's going to go higher here above $6 big seller sitting there. We'll see what happens. But I think I'm done for the day. I'm happy with that. You guys can see making $354 there after commissions, after fees. This RCO in trade this morning, it's one of those things. I probably could have just lived without it. I probably could have just stayed away from RCO in this morning. It did end up going lower. It went down to where kind of my goal was. Had the plan. Really I should have went short here at this area there at 260, then taken that whole ride down there. But instead kind of got that FOMO there, overtraded this, and I paid for it, and that's part of it. But luckily, PTIE came in and saved the day. So PTIE alerted in the chat room before this whole crazy move here, and it worked out perfectly beautiful. Here, it looks like it's going to go for a new high of day here. It's got to get above this 620 area. There it is, 622. Boom. PTIE exploding once again up there to 630. I'm going to take my profit and run and go do some better things, work on my new truck and all that fun stuff. So I'll talk to you guys later.